In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off communication limit for phone calls on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and if you are getting that kind of error when you are trying to call someone, all you have to do is first off tap right here at OK button. Then close Phone app and head over to Settings. On Settings, you need to enter Screen Time. Here, tap at Communication Limits. Under Allowed Communication, tap right here. And that's where you need to switch it from whatever is selected now to everyone, just like that. After that, you can head over to Phones app and then you can call to any user you want. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.